Hey, kid!
Hey, what are you doing here?
I guess your family is still mad at you, aren't they?
Yeah, I mean, they are. It's not a good feeling. But, hey, what are you doing here?
Boss sent me, just in case you need any assistance.
Did he send you here, really?
Yes, he did.
Okay, I mean, it's a tough business for me. Hey, but anyway, I'm glad you're here, man. Thank you very much.
You say.
Good morning. Looks like everyone's here. Let's start our meeting.
Okay, boss. The more sales in Singapore, right? Okay, I think it's a great idea, you know. But
We're going to help it in all of the Sana is also part of the contract. Because also
they all got business loan to do money. We give them rental, give them business also. We got some contributor. Especially here when we can sell our MRR rate, which is very attractive.
it's a good platform.
Hey, bro. You need to go back to your family, especially during this holiday season.
You know I can't, right?
No, you have to, bro. Your family needs you more than ever. You need to go.
I gotta be here for this meeting.
Bro, I'll take care of it. No problem. Just go on. It's okay. I'll cover for you.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, come on, camera. Come get the camera. Come on, one, cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
7,000 650,000 ringgit. Right? What do you think, kid? Kid, what do you think?
I'm sorry, Mr. Yap. I think I have to go.
What?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I think I need to go.
No, kid. You need to come back. Kid,
Go.
we
Go
need
on.
you.
Go on.
Hey, kid. Kid.
It's okay, guys. Kids need to go. Family matters. But I'm here. Shall we continue?
Alright, let's move on.
Fantastic.
Hey, I'm back.
Hey, how are you back at this hour?
Yeah, I'll explain that later. Where are the kids?
They're still asleep in the room.
They're still in the room.
Yeah?
Okay.
哎，宝宝，你不是去做工吗？
爸爸已经没有做工啦，爸爸已经 finish 了。
耶
要早点回来。
这是我最好的圣诞礼物了。
啊，要不要去游泳
Yeah!
Now, you want to open present? Open the present first. You want to open the present?
那个是我的，那个是我的。
这个是我的，OK，这个是狗狗的，拿给狗狗。啊，这个是妹妹的，另外一个是妹妹的。啊，这个妹妹的，这是我的。
来，come，small，1、